Hindi yung babae.
If you say nga, hi guys, we are here in Marilake.
That's already doing it. You're already doing it.
Sabihin mo hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
You guys are already doing it. No need for me to do it. You already did it.
Daming riders eh. Mga madaling araw pa yan.
Okay.
Kaya,
Breakfast.
I want to see the 21st cycler.
Kasi pag nahihilo ka,
Kanina pa tayo, hindi pa tayo tumigil sa angat.
Kaya nga eh. Tapos din ito no? 1.5.
Ma'am, 10 kilometers na lang. Ako,